How to fix error 0xC0070652 when installing or uninstalling programs in Windows 11 10s. To fix error 0xC0070652, aka, another installation is already in progress. Complete that installation before proceeding with this install. Error code 0xC0070652, when installing or uninstalling programs in Windows 11 10s. Try 1. Restart your computer and try removing your unwanted software again. 2. Uninstall your program in Windows Clean Boot state. 3. Restart Windows Installer Service. 4. Stop Miss a server via Task Manager. 5. Perform System Restore.